I recently received PoKeys57U USB CNC controller and a couple 2.5 amp stepper motor driver from PoScope. They said with their Mach3 plugin software, the device can control the CNC machine from computer USB port. I'm not a Pokey expert or whatsoever. This is my first time use. I downloaded their software and a couple user manual from PoScope website. It said Mach3 plugin is included in the Pokeys setup package. So this is the setup package I downloaded and installed into my computer. So I connect the port device with USB A to B cable to my laptop. And start doing the software installation process. This is the software I install. Installation process went through smoothly. It took about 5 to 10 minutes. I don't remember exactly. At the end, the software asked me to open the software, so I click yes, and it asks me again to update the device firmware. So I click yes. Unfortunately, the error message came out. So it said upgrade error, cannot enter bootloader mode. So what I did was I restart my laptop and open their software again. Asked me again to update the device firmware. I click yes, and this time the upgrade process went through successfully. After software installation, instruction said open the Mach3 and do the Pokeys mapping. Mach3 asks me which driver I have to use for Pokeys. Okay. This is a new Mach3 user interface. I downloaded. You know, the Mach3 original user interface is so outdated. So I really appreciate it for people who created such a nice looking modern Mach3 user interface. So by the way, go to follow the instruction, go to the plug-in control, configure PoKeys57U, force engine setting. So on this screen, it said force engine configuration integrated 3-channel. So wait a minute. I need to set up the 4x6 system, not 3x6. So I need 4-channel. What's the 4-channel? So later I found out that the PoKeys57U only support 3-channel, not 4-channel. So I asked engineers at PoScope. So their response was pretty quick. Next day they answer me that I need the extension bolt. This is the one. So PoExBusOC16 CNC. They gave me instruction how to connect the extension bus to USB PoKeys USB controller. So I ordered the bolt, and 3 days later I received the bolt. It came from Europe, so the build quality professional. Unlike some other boats selling on eBay or Amazon, this is really professional. Of course, all the second boat from PoKeys are high quality professional boats. And this is the instruction on to connect two PoKeys to PoExBusOC16 CNC extension bolt. So just follow the instruction. Let's do the wiring. Wiring from PoKeys57U to extension box is pretty simple. This is the PoKeys57U picture. This is the extension box user manuals. So we only use 6 wire from 10-pin ribbon cable. So we use 1 red, which is a 5-volt power to the extension bolt, and 2 PoKey ground, 3 motor enable signal, 8 signal for 8, 9, and 10 are signal for 4th generation. So we only need 6 wire. So I had to prepare the ribbon cable. I cut out all the middle wires. 4 wire we don't use, we don't need. So connect to the this wire connect to the 57U. So 1 red is going to 5 volt right here, 5 volt, and 2 is ground. Let's go here, right there. And then 3 is motor enable signal. So set any free I/O pin. So I connect to the 51. So right there. 8 is going to 23. Over here. These 3 wire. 8, 9, 25. 9 goes to 25. And pin 10 goes to 26. So these 3 wire, 23, 24, no, 23, 25, and 26. So just follow the instruction. This is a wiring instruction for PoKeys57U. So the other wires we need are for E-stop switch, X, Y, and Z home switches, and wire for the probe, and Spindle on and off control relay. So I use port 3, this one, 4 and 7 for X and Y, X, Y and Z home switches. So these switches need to be wired to the ground. So this is ground. So pin 14, the port 14, I use it for Spindle on off relay. So positive input wired to the 5 volt over here, and negative is wired to the pin 14 here. So for the probe, so I use the port 50 and ground. This is 4-step bipolar stepper motor driver I'm using. This driver can drive up to 2.5 amp per phase stepper motor. These are my second set of driver. My first set of poster driver I used with my CNC router for about 6 to 7 years now, and they are working well. Keep going. So this is for the power input. I'm using the 24 volt DC. This connector connect to the stepper motor. This is for winding A, this is for winding B, and center port is ground. This 10-pin connector connect directly to the extension board with the ribbon cable. Before we power up, we need to check the control function. So disconnect the ribbon cable to the driver. So the 57U connect directly to the computer USB port. So it's 5 volt power come from USB port, and it also power the extension board. So these two are powered by the USB port. So signals are not that strong. Let's connect. Open the Mach3. Let's try install first. Okay. So install engage is working. Install working. Now I cannot reset it. So I need to release the install. Okay, I can reset. So it stopped working. And then let's try the limit switches. I don't have a limit switch right now, so I'm just using the wire. So I will shut it off. So go to diagnostic. This is for It's home. See, so it's light up. Also, e-stop trigger. It's working. This is Y. Working. This is Z. Also working. So this is for the probe. Working. See, probing. So spin it on off. Relay. See. So where's the on right here? Spindle. Go to reset first. Yes. You see the light on? Light off. So it's also working. So for the spindle relay, we need to use the 470 ohm pull-up resistor. Connect from connect from 3.3 volt to the port 14. Connect to the relay negative input to make sure the logic high and logic low work properly. Let's power it up and test the test with the stepper motor. So before we power up the system, we need to make sure all the motors are connected to the driver. So this is important. So PoExBusOC they have a warning. They said if you power up the driver without connecting the motor, it may damage the driver board. So we need to make sure we connect all the stepper motor before we power up. Motors are connected to the drivers and power is on. So let's test the motor. Reset. So this is X. This is AX6. This one will follow the AX6 for both step and direction. This is for Y axis. This is for Z axis. So let's test X axis first. Okay. So Y axis. Okay. So Z axis. Okay. Spin the motor, relay on and off. Lights on. Working. So let's load the program, test run it, and see. G-code. So try the rope runner with the tool open. Reset. Run. Let's test the e-stop. Everything stopped. So it's well. Pretty good. Now come to conclusion. This setup is an option for Mach3 USB control. You know, Mach3 is designed to be used with computer parallel pool, but these days, computer equipped with parallel pool are hard to find it. This USB controller and extension board together cost around $60. Smooth stepper is around $220, and the other DB25 to USB adapter costs around $120. So it's up to you. I hope this video gives you more information of choosing the USB controller for Mach3. For now, I'm going to stop my video here. Thank you for watching. Bye.